Welcome! In front of me I have HUAWEI Watch 4 Pro Space Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the Chrome button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face home screen, and you can press the Chrome button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, scroll through the menu and find the Wi-Fi option. Once you find it, tap on it to enter the Wi-Fi menu, and here we can turn on the Wi-Fi by tapping on the switch, and after you turn it on, you can scroll down, and below we have the list of networks nearby to our watch and the ones that we can connect to. So find the network you want to connect to, tap on it to select it, and as you can see now we need to enter the password. So we can tap right here and scroll down. That's a long terms of service, allow it, and the keyboard should open, and now we can enter the password by using the keyboard on the watch. So give me a second. Okay, and once you enter the password, you can tap on connect to connect to the network. And as you can see now, when you scroll down, you will see that we are basically, it says connected to the network, so it worked and we have the Wi-Fi access on our watch. And that's how you connect to the Wi-Fi network on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.